6 months ago, I spent 2 incredible weeks in the Islamic Republic of Iran, and not a day has gone by where I don't think about my amazing experiences there. Looking back, every single word I said in my Persian videos remains the truth. From Tehran to Yazd. Right now we are sitting in the main square in Yazd, Kerman, Esfahan. Welcome to Esfahan!
And here is the second largest square in the world.
Shiraz. We are now in the pink mosque of Shiraz. And everything in between. So we're driving in the middle of Iran and we pulled over to make a pit stop at this beautiful shrine. And I cannot tell you guys how incredible the architecture is here. Iran is full of surprises, smiling faces, and unbelievable sights. I still think that Iran is the most misunderstood nation in the world. It makes me laugh inside whenever I read a comment from someone saying that Iran is dangerous or undesirable. If you go there for yourself, you'll realize that it's exactly the opposite, especially if you're from the US, because Persians love meeting Americans. I stand by my words that Iran is one of the safest countries in the world, that it has the most hospitable people you'll ever meet, that the history will leave you speechless.
But mosaic decoration, there are little pieces that they put them together.
That the shopping bazaars are vibrant and cheap, that the authentic culture will take you back in time, that the joy on people's faces will draw you closer, and that the taste of the food will satisfy your appetite. Iran is magical. It's a place that I recommend everyone to visit at least once in their life, so they can help me spread the word about its beauty and safety. I am counting down the days until I return to Iran soon. To end this video, allow me to share a quick piece I made about the people of Persia.
Friendly faces, open arms, ancient cultures, timeless charms. Welcome to Iran.
I am nearly speechless by how humble and amazing these people are.
Thank you.
Perhaps this is not what you'd expect, as this country gets a bad rep on the media. I surely didn't expect it, but after spending 10 days in Iran so far, the people have been the best part about the country. Don't get me wrong, the historical sites are fascinating, but the kindness of the people goes beyond words. My first sign of this was when I announced my trip on Instagram before arriving, and woke up the next day to thousands of comments and messages from Iranians welcoming me into their country. Thousands! This is not a joke. As I've wandered the streets of big cities and small towns, people are curious when they see me, and often approach me to ask 2 questions.
Where are you from?
What do you think of Iran?
And as soon as I tell them I'm American, they love it and become more curious to speak further. Iranians are so hospitable to the point that I've been invited numerous times for a cup of tea in their shop or home. Even if they speak minimal English, their honest smiles tell the truth about their kind hearts. I have never felt unsafe in this country because 100% of Persians I've come across are looking out for me and making sure I am safe and having a good time. But above all, the thing that stands out most to me about the locals is that whenever I am approached, it's very genuine and doesn't revolve around them asking me for money. So I just walked into a carpet store in Yazd and I met this guy, and I don't feel pressured to buy anything. He's very friendly.
Welcome to Iran, welcome to Yazd.
Thank you very much, thank you. They sincerely want to get to know me. If I'm walking through a bazaar and get taken into a shop, I don't feel pressured to buy anything.
Welcome to my carpet shop.
And if I accidentally pay too much, like I once did at the Shiraz Bazaar, the guy chased me through the market to give me my change. We forgot to get our change back, so the guy ran all the way through the market like 10 minutes just to give us a couple dollars back. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Coming to Iran is so special because it's authentic. It's real. It has not been overrun by tourism, which after traveling to so many places is like a breath of fresh air.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.